I'm Arjava and today I'm going to show you how to make a swan on a 24-piece snake cube. So first hold your snake cube like this and from left to right count two pieces, 1, 2 and rotate the second piece twice. Now I recommend holding your snake cube in vertical position. From the top to bottom count 4 pieces, 1, 2, 3, 4 and the piece after that, which is the 5th piece, you have to rotate it away from you. Now hold it like this and count 3 pieces, 1, 2, 3 and rotate the 3rd piece away from you. Now we are going to refer to rectangles for this step. Count 2 rectangles, 1, 2 and rotate this rectangle counterclockwise. Now we are going to rotate it like this and count 2 pieces, 1, 2 and rotate the second piece twice. Now rotate it like this and count 2 rectangles, 1, 2 and you have to move the rectangle like this. But this piece will block it. So you have to count 2 rectangles, 1, 2, rotate this rectangle clockwise. Now count 2 pieces, 1, 2, rotate this second piece twice. Now count 2 pieces again, 1, 2 and rotate this piece towards you. Now we are going to refer to rectangles. Count 2 rectangles, 1, 2, rotate the second rectangle clockwise. And now final step is to make the tail. You have to take the last triangle and you have to rotate it away from you. Here is the swan, there you go. Isn't it so cute? For more such videos, please subscribe to my channel, like my video and share it to your friends. Thank you. Bye.